Hi guys, Luke and Charlie on Travel here, and we're about to show you some of the best places to stay in Cusco. Stay tuned to find out more about where to stay in this beautiful city in the Andes. So we're really excited to show you this apartment coming on in. Here it is. Look at this. Whoa! Massive space. There's Charlie. Here's a bathroom. Here is a working space. And we've got a beautiful kitchen as well. Take a look at that.
Fridge, kettle, blender, coffee maker, cooker.
All of the mod cons, and we have a heater as well, and a big spacious bedroom with a lovely bed and a second bathroom and shower area as well. But the most important thing that we're going to show you right now is the view. So everybody ready? 1, 2, 3. Take a look at that. 100% pure Cusco, fantastic Andean beauty that is available to you for, what's the price of this apartment, Charlie?
£300 a week.
£300 a week. That is a price you cannot argue with. And just take a look at the street below. We've got some street art, we've got some beautiful flowers, and we've got the beautiful San Blas neighborhood right there. So one quick question, Charlie, how do you find an apartment like this in Cusco?
Great question. I do a quick search, find out where all the best coffee shops are, all the vegetarian restaurants, and I look at the prices in that area on an Airbnb map, message the host, check the internet speed, book it.
Awesome, easy as that. So thanks guys, that's how you find a fantastic apartment in Cusco. If you have any questions, make sure that you put them in the comments below. Have a good one, take care, bye.